Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Are you wondering what to pair up with your mango? I have a long list of foods in different categories that are known to pair well with mango, and I want to share that with you. So here we go. In the way of protein foods, including nuts and seeds, we've got almonds, beans, cashews, chicken, chickpeas, duck, fish, legumes, nuts, peanuts, pork, sesame, tempeh, and tofu. That's a wide range of protein foods that are known to pair up with mango. Now, in the way of fruit, you can pair up mango with avocado, bananas, berries, coconut, kiwi, lemon, lime, nectarines, oranges, papayas, passion fruit, peaches, pears, pineapple, plantains, tamarind, and assorted tropical fruits. So mangoes go well with all types of fruits for sure. Now, if you want to pair it up with vegetables, we've got arugula, bell peppers, chayote squash, chiles, corn, cucumbers, fennel, jalapenos, jicama, lettuce, red onions, rhubarb even, scallions, seaweed of different types, shallots, snow peas, tomatillos, and tomatoes. How about that? Now, if you want to put them in a savory dish with assorted grains, corn, and I know corn was listed in the vegetables as well, but corn is both a vegetable and a grain, noodles, especially Asian noodles, quinoa, rice, and tortillas as well. Now, in the dairy department, including non-dairy, there is almond milk, coconut milk, cream, ice cream, and yogurt. Now, in the other foods category, there's honey, rum, sugar, tapioca, and wine. How about that? Well, I do hope this helps you out and gives you some ideas on what to do with the mangoes that you have. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Bye now.